Understanding B-star labels. Welcome. In today's video, we're exploring B-star labels, India's guide to choosing energy-efficient appliances. These labels don't just decorate your gadgets, they help you save money, save electricity, and protect the planet. Why energy efficiency matters? Energy efficiency isn't just about saving on bills, it's about using our limited energy resources wisely. Every time you choose an efficient appliance, you help reduce power demand and pollution, making India's energy future more sustainable. What is B? The Bureau of Energy Efficiency, or B, is a government agency under the Ministry of Power. It promotes energy conservation across industries and households, and the Star Label program is one of its most successful initiatives. Purpose of B Star labels. The goal of the B label is simple: help consumers identify appliances that use less electricity. These labels make it easy to choose efficient products without needing technical knowledge. How star ratings work. Each appliance gets a rating from 1 to 5 stars. A 5-star rating means it consumes the least energy and is highly efficient, while a 1-star product meets only the basic standard. Energy consumption explained. The star rating is calculated based on annual energy consumption. The less power a device uses in a year, the higher its star rating. So, when you buy a 5-star appliance, you are locking in long-term savings. Helping consumers make informed choices. By comparing the star labels on similar products, you can easily see which one is more efficient. It's like having a built-in guide that points you toward smarter choices. Benefits for consumers. Choosing higher-rated appliances may cost a bit more upfront, but they save you much more over time, in lower electricity bills, fewer repairs, and longer durability. Environmental benefits. When millions of people use energy-efficient products, the reduction in electricity use helps lower greenhouse gas emissions. So, your small choice contributes to a cleaner, greener planet. Benefits for the nation. B's labeling program has saved the country thousands of gigawatt-hours of energy and reduced carbon emissions on a massive scale, proving that collective awareness can drive national progress. Example: comparing two refrigerators. For example, a 5-star refrigerator can consume up to 40% less energy than a 2-star model. That means hundreds of rupees saved every year, just from one appliance. Government initiatives and programs. Beyond labeling, B also runs other programs like the Energy Conservation Building Code and the PAT scheme, which encourage industries and buildings to save more energy. Key takeaways. Remember: 1. Always look for the B label. 2. More stars mean more savings. And 3. Energy efficiency benefits you, your wallet, and the world. Call to action. So, the next time you shop for a new appliance, choose smart, choose efficient, and choose 5-star. Because saving energy is the simplest way to make a difference. Understanding B-star labels.